Hello everyone, it's a quick video from Bavarian Motorworks. Just a very quick one. I've been having a bit of vibration when braking. Now I've done some reading online and other people have been having the same issue. So what I did was I checked all the suspension at the front and that all checked out fine. There was no ball joint issues or any bushes. Now, what I found that fixed it was I took off all the caliper pins, wiped them clean of all the old grease, and re-greased them all and put them back on. And since I've done that, the wobbly braking has vanished. It stopped doing it now. It's nice and smooth again. So that's something you might want to check. Apparently they can also cross thread because people don't put them back in properly. So I will double check your caliper pins and give them a re-grease with the correct grease. Don't use copper grease. You need to use silicone based preferably, and that should fix your issue. Or red rubber grease is also good for them as well. So that situation is resolved. So if you are having this problem, give that a try and hopefully it should fix your issue. So it's a very quick one on this absolute horrible day. It's been raining all day and it is depressing, it really is. Can't wait for the spring so I can actually get out and make more videos and more content for the E60. So anyway, I hope everybody had a good Christmas and a happy-ish New Year, even though it's raining. And I hope to bring you more content, so hopefully this is helpful to someone. Check those pins, make sure they're nice and tight and they're threading properly, and give them a good re-grease. Cheers. See you in the next one.